I think it's like, doesn't this make it 10 times cuter? Like, I was cute before, I was okay, my eyebrows look crazy, my face look crazy, but you know what, this turban thing, like once you do this, it just makes everything just look extra official. No, sis, am I right or wrong? Comment below if I'm right or wrong. I hate making these videos super long and drawn out, and you guys feel like I'm talking a lot, but this is a PR unboxing, so sis, trying to be thorough here, okay? Right. Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz, aka Royal Beauty, and we're back with another video. Okay, it's been a little while, I'm sorry, but you know, it happens. I'm back, and again, another self-care video. I'm definitely all about my self-care lately and feeling good inside and out. So I've been working on different techniques and different routines and things like that. So I'm sharing all of my tea with you guys. Anything that I find that works for your girl, I'm gonna share it. I think I got a couple of things that didn't work for me. I'm gonna share them. I'm gonna make sure I give you the best of both worlds on things that I like and I don't like, particularly from my skin. But yeah, so this is definitely gonna be one of those videos, but also an unboxing. I got a box sent to me from Yes2. If you guys are not familiar with Yes2, they're a brand, they're a skincare brand. They have a lot of masks and things like that, and I'm gonna post in the description all of their information. So yeah, they just sent me a box, a PR box. I get to really try this thing out, see what their new products are looking like, feeling like, if they're working, if they're not working. Okay, packaging and all of that, because I'm a packaging type of girl. You're gonna get the raw, uncut footage of me unboxing and sharing with you guys what they sent me. And I'm gonna try some of those stuff, and it's gonna be really authentic because I am actually breaking out now. So this is a perfect time to try something, you know, something new other than my regular routine. The real tea on whether or not it works to get rid of whatever I got going on. One product in particular are some dots that are supposed to get rid of zits over an 8-hour period. You're supposed to keep it on and it's supposed to get rid of the zit. So I'm going to be trying that. They got a cool mask, a tool, and all that. Let me stop talking. Let me get into what I got. I'm going to show you in a second. But first, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Like I said, I am Royal Beauty, but I go by Liz. And if you are new, hopefully you decide to check out some more videos, or you like this one enough to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads. I do videos like this. I also do wig reviews, hair tutorials, and my family and I also vlog because we are always out and about. I get really busy, and I make sure I try to share any new experiences as well as my day-to-day through my vlog. So if you like things like that, definitely stay tuned. One of my loyal Royals, you already know the drill. Welcome back. Thanks for supporting me. Let's get into this unboxing. Let's see. So this is the box they sent me. Okay, so this is all the stuff in there. As you can see, they've got some masks. They've got all this stuff in there. Okay, so they did, first of all, now that I've showed you the box, they did send me this cute little note. Okay, so it comes like this, so a note card, and with a note on there. As you can see, it says, "Hi Liz, we hope you enjoyed these fabulous new Yes2 goodies to keep your skin hydrated and detoxified. They're the perfect products for your spring skincare routine. XOXO, the Yes2 team. Love it, snap it, share it, Yes2." So that's what the note says. I did open some of this stuff, like I said. So I opened up the mask tool. It came in this little packaging here, but I'm going to show you guys what the mask tool looks like. Okay, there you go. This is what the mask tool looks like. It has this nice flat side here, which you use to apply the mask. And then it has the handle side. But I think you could use both sides, really. You could use either side. But this is the side I like to use because I like to use this part. It's really nice and flat. Review. But you can literally just slather on the mask with this. And some people might not find it necessary, but you know what? Anything that helps to really get the mask on faster, I'm with it. You can use your hands. People use your hands. So some people don't like to feel all of that on their hands. They don't like that. They don't like how it feels. It's yucky. So I can be that way sometimes, depending on, you know, my nails, whatever, or just, you know, it's just a preference. So the fact that there's a tool like this is definitely, it's helpful. And because it's so nice and flat and it's meant for a mask, applying a mask, it helps you also not apply too much of the mask, and also to give you a nice, even coating feeling of the mask. So I really, really like this, and I've used it already, so I can definitely vouch for this. They also sent me the Detoxifying Charcoal Wipes, okay? And this is the Yes to Tomatoes line too, because they have a bunch of different ones. I know they have Yes to Grapefruit. They have Yes to I think they have Yes to Blueberry. They have Yes to a bunch of them, but I've always seen Yes to Tomatoes. I always thought that the whole brand was called Yes to Tomatoes until I saw that they had other stuff going on. So it's just Yes to, and depending on what line, it could be Yes to Tomatoes, Yes to Blueberry, Yes to Grapefruit. They have different ones. I think it probably did start out Yes to Tomatoes and only that, and then kind of spread out. Remove makeup with a swipe. So you do use them to remove your makeup, but if you just wanted to wipe your face with them, I believe you can. Oh, a mask, a peel-off mask. Now, I am not a big fan of peel-off masks, so we're going to see about this one because I don't like peeling stuff off my face. Like, I just don't. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe they'll change my mind. But sis, I have not been able to like really like it. Maybe it's the mask that I've been using, so maybe Yes to might change my mind. We're going to see. But this is what the mask looks like that they sent me. All right, it comes like this. This is what the mask looks like. And apparently you can use, and it shows it on there that you can use the tool that they sent. So I'm gonna use that to apply this mask. And then it also has the Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin for Acne and Salicylic Acid. I can't believe I still can't say that right. The salicylic acid, and this is the Detoxifying Charcoal Acne Fighting T-Zone Mask. And you put this one, you unfold the mask, apply it to clean skin in the T-zone areas and adjust around eyes and nose, smoothing to fit the curves of your gorgeous face. They have these, which I did try. I'm not gonna spill the tea yet. This is what they look like in the packaging. And these dots go over, you know, zits. So if you have a little breakout, you have a random breakout, you want to, I'm trying to hide my nails. Look at me, trying to hide my nails. But yeah, they go over a zit, and you're supposed to keep them on throughout the evening, and this is supposed to, I guess, get rid of that zit. The black and the red dots are equally effective for anybody who's wondering, and gently press it over the zit. So you gently press it over the zit. Don't forget to take a Yes to selfie of your adorably dotted face. You keep the dot in place for 8 to 10 hours. Yes, you can sleep in it. Then remove gently and discard. It is as easy as that to get these zits zapped. Okay, so I did try this. I did put this on my face. I did go to sleep, and I will tell you guys my results later. So you have to stay tuned to find out whether or not they work for me. The last thing that I have here, and this one I really liked. I really like this one. One is a clay mask. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see that. Hopefully it is zooming in for y'all. There we go. Good, good, good. Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin for dry and sensitive skin, which is me. Detoxifying and Hydrating White Charcoal Mud Mask. When I saw white charcoal, I don't know why, certain things just get you like all riled up, like excited about. And just the fact that it said white charcoal had me. I was like, ooh, white charcoal. Okay. And it is really, really cool. Why? I'm going to show you in a second. The reason why I really love this, I did try it. The reason why I really like this is because of the sponge. The sponge on the end of this is what makes it like revolutionary. It's really cool. I haven't had a mask like this yet. I don't know if anybody else has done it yet, but this is my first time experiencing having a sponge on the end of the tube, which allows for an even easier application of the mask. And that's one of the main reasons that I really like it. I got all excited about it being white charcoal, didn't realize that there's also a sponge on the end of this, and that made it for me. I don't have to touch it. I don't even have to use the mask tool. I can just rub this. So it's a twist top. So you twist it off, and as you can see, I used it, but this is what the sponge looks like on the end. Comes out of that little hole there. You can put this on spots, so you can use the sponge to just do spot masking or spot treatments, or you can use it and literally rub this all over your face how you want to, where you want to, with ease. I love that. I love that. I wish all my masks could go into a tube like this, and I could do that with all of my masks. I would be so happy because it's less mess. It's easier. You get the application on. It's also massaging at the same time. It feels good. And then before you know it, you're taking the mask back off. There we go. So got that going. All right, you guys. So I honestly do not like peeling stuff. Oh, I don't like peeling stuff off my face. I don't like it. It's not my favorite thing. I just really wanted to try and see, you know, if I get a different. Oh, I hate it. I don't like peeling stuff. And I don't know if you're supposed to put like a super, super big, thick consistency on so that it peels off easier. I don't know if that makes a difference or not. But for me, all of them, no matter what mask I've used, like the peeling off part is so like, I don't know how people like to do it. I don't like to do it. I'm like literally pinching myself trying to find a good area to peel. Okay, this is seeming to work. All right, this right here, this technique, kind of scratching to kind of make a surface. There we go. Oh, snap. Okay, that did something. Oh, it hurts. It doesn't hurt like super, super bad, but look, I got a nice big chunk off. That's pretty good. Okay, let me look, because I haven't been looking. I've been trying to get it off of my face. You guys can tell I do not mess with these masks. I don't mess with them. Totally for a mask that washes off. Nah, this is so annoying, y'all. Honestly, I'm frustrated and I want it off. I need it off. I need it off. I think I'm gonna like give up here. Honestly, I can't take it anymore. I can't. I cannot. I'm gonna go wash this off. I'm gonna wash it off. So yeah, but it did go on really, really good. It smelled good. It was very, very comfortable while it was on. I knew it was on my face. It was tight. It was doing something. And even while it was on, I felt like it was pulling and like it was just tightening up to the point where it's like, okay, I know now that it's time to peel it. See any significant results from washing it off of this side or even this side. I put another mask on top of this side, so it might mess with it because I did two things to this side, but I'm gonna go ahead and really examine this side and let you guys know what I see, if anything, of a difference, so I can review this. I've already tried this one. I love it. It left my face feeling nice and fresh and clean, and it gave me like a radiance. I really like that, and it was comfortable. It was an easy mask. I could do it really, really quick. It took me less than 2 minutes, less than a minute to put it on my face. And then another minute to wash it off, and then I was good to go. Versus this might take a little bit more time, obviously. And if you're a peeler, you might be a pro at that. But for somebody like me that's new to peeling anything off their face, you might be a little annoyed because you have to make sure you either put enough of this on for it to be a nice thick peeling experience, easier for you to peel, or you just have patience. You can wash off the excess. So if you're not a peeler and you don't know how to peel it, like I have it right here, I'm going to wash this off and I will let you guys know how easy that is, but I believe it shouldn't be that hard. So yeah, that's my review on these two masks. The wipes were, they shocked me. They were black. So I was shocked that the wipes were black, but that's so cute. And they smell good. They're amazing. They feel good. They dry up pretty fast. So one time use it. And then once you let it out, it's going to dry. So I would suggest that you close the package up. Make sure you close it really tight so that the other ones do not get dry. Oh, the T-zone. I haven't seen anything significant just yet. I mean, it felt really, really moisturized and really, really good. I will let you guys know if I see any difference in my T-zone area later on. I'll come back and give you guys an idea of that. But as far as the first impression, it's very comfortable. It didn't smell good to me. I don't know why all the other products smell really good, but the T-zone one did not smell good. It smelled kind of funny, but it's still, you know, once it was only when I took it out the pack and when I put it on, it stopped smelling like that. So you don't smell that the whole time. You just smell it initially. So I'm just telling you guys that. But it will diminish, like it doesn't stay there. And then it's really comfortable to put on. I really like that. And as far as the tool, I told you guys I love that tool. The tool is amazing. It's so cute and it's handy, it's easy, and you can use it for any mask. And finally, the dots, for anybody who's waiting for the dots. I tried the dots in the middle of the night. I put them on right before I went to sleep and I slept in them. I had a couple of breakouts on each side. I'm going to insert this footage now so you can see it. I put them on each side of my face wherever I had these zits that just came out of nowhere, and it was perfect timing. I went to sleep, and when I woke up, some of the dots had moved just a little bit, but the ones that were on this side of my face, they stuck to my face so seriously. They did not move. They were there. The red one kind of moved a little bit. I had a red one right here and it moved kind of a little bit, but I had two big ones here, and I didn't see that much of a difference in the one that was here. But the one that was on this side that was underneath the red dot that had moved, it had gone down. It laid down drastically. However, it wasn't gone. It did something. That is for sure. And I hadn't put any other products on that night. All I did was wash my face and then put the dots on so that I could go to sleep. It has to be an actual zit. It has to be coming to a head. It has to be something that popped up and you're trying to get rid of it fast versus something that was already there. I don't think it's going to take it away right away. Like it's going to be one of those, you know, you have to have a routine or do something or have some type of extraction and then put that on there to kind of follow up on the process versus you expecting it to do all the work. So keep that in mind. It is not an overnight sensation for me just yet. It might become that, but it isn't yet because it only did just a little bit of something. So keep that in mind. It is not an overnight sensation for me just yet. It might become that, but it isn't yet because it only did just a little bit of something to the main one that was here. And I believe that one was the one that was coming to a head. So just to give you an idea of what kind of zit it will attack, that zit was like one that just popped out of nowhere, and it's literally a sugar zit. Like I drank too much sugar, whatever, and it came out, and so that night it took it away. And I think I'm done rambling about this Yes to PR box, but I wanted to give you guys a full review about what I have in the box so you know everything that I tried in there and what I personally think. And if you guys have tried any of these products and you had a different experience than me, please comment them down below so that other people who are interested in these products can also join in the conversation and get their tea if they're looking for these products. And also please, please, please let me know if I didn't answer any of your questions because I'm trying to answer as much as possible, but I may be talking a little fast because I hate making these videos super, super, super long and drawn out and you guys feel like I'm talking a lot. But this is a PR unboxing, so sis, I'm trying to be thorough here, okay? I'm gonna let you guys go from here. I'm gonna go wash my face, okay? And pop in the shower, give me a little wine, give me a little chillax time. Subscribe, share this video. You know, share this video. If you like this video, if you think this video is cute, you know what I'm saying? Tag Yes too. Let them know that your girl did that, okay? If you are one of my loyal royals, thanks so much for your support. I love you guys so much. As always, stay royal. Oh yeah, this is what my face looked like after I washed all the product off. Nice and clean, and it felt really, really nice too. Okay, bye guys. I love you. See you later. Mwah.